Today I'm going to show you how to cook MongChong. MongChong is a buttery, mild Hawaiian deep sea fish similar in texture to opa kapaka or onaga. It holds up beautifully in an air fryer. Let's get started. Now put meat tenderizer on this to begin with, and then I'm putting some sea salt on top of it, evenly across the MongChong. And I'm adding something different to this, shaved garlic. I have 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm shaving it in this garlic shaver. The purpose of taking the garlic through the garlic shave is to get the maximum amount of surface area from the garlic. Now what I'm going to do with the shaved garlic now, you can see it nice and shaved. I'm going to get olive oil and pour olive oil in a cup and add the garlic to it. The olive oil that I'm using is Pasano's organic olive oil. I'm just going to pour a few tablespoons of olive oil inside of the glass. And then I am going to add the shaved garlic to it. Now once inside, I'm going to mix it well. And the purpose of doing this is to allow the garlic flavor to be one with the olive oil. This allows for the flavor to be evenly distributed throughout the MongChong. I'm going to begin by placing the shaved garlic on top of the MongChong. And then spreading the garlic on the MongChong and pouring the garlic flavor infused olive oil on top of the MongChong. A few more pieces left, and then we can go on to the next part. Normally, I would allow the flavors to sit on the MongChong for about 6 hours or so, or even overnight. But for the video purposes, for the sake of the video, I'm not. So now I'm going to place the MongChong in the center of the air fryer. And push the basket inside of the air fryer and set the temperature and time. Typically, I put the timer to 14 minutes for this air fryer and the time to 375. And when it's done, the MongChong looks like this. If you want, or if you probably should, take a thermometer and make sure that the internal temperature is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks a lot for watching.